The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, pakiway. Thek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakhih University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
That in light of yesterday's events, disturbing events of yesterday, and after careful deliberation and discussion, we have decided to deny the permission to KSU for their proposed procession and sit-in protest that they have proposed for tomorrow. From administration, we understand that as of now the city is healing. The city is still recovering from the trauma that it suffered yesterday. Several children, several people who witnessed violence, they are still undergoing fear and trauma. What this city needs at this point is calm, restraint, and some time to heal. So through media, I want to make a direct appeal to the leadership and members of KSU. Please respect the orders of the administration. This order is not to curb any democratic right. This order has been brought out just to be able to afford the opportunity to residents of Shillong to breathe, to recover and to heal. So I earnestly appeal to you, please do not come out for any procession or sit-in which may lead to any confrontation with the security forces. And simultaneously, we must always remember and think about the children of Shillong. Few children were unfortunate to witness what happened yesterday on the streets. And simultaneously, most of the children and their parents are as of now frightened. Let's make sure that we do not put them through another day of uncertainty and confrontation. That's my earnest appeal to KSU and its members, and simultaneously I appeal to all citizens of Shillong as well that that's about it.
Oh, had a little bit three solar.
The don't make high the con.
Bay la tong sway nga kadia pa kisngil the chit ko.
Ili mem yor aim gini con me. Pai upon class ten Shong. Tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we con bukan. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang ngaji bisa orang lain mana.
Oh, this time.
Pinai wan ai bam snyai bam sien ai ta ko pacho. Families to that rules. Right. For it.
Ông yêu ném, ngủ qua nhà khăm mắt đó, ngủ tê tàu tràn bò rừng khèm.
Bay, pass your first division ah. Oh, bay.
Congratulations, con.
Thank you, bay.